Hey everyone, this is TechZone13 and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a screen protector. So now to demonstrate this, I'm going to be using an iPad Air, as you can see right in front of the camera. And yeah, I've just put it on top of the box just so that I don't scratch or mess up, the back over this table. But yeah, I've picked up one of these cheap screen protectors on eBay. These are about, I don't know, $1.50 each. I picked up 3 for $5, which is really good. So it comes with this soft cleaning cloth to clean the screen beforehand. You want to try and get rid of as much dust as possible, because dust is what causes the bubbles. But it's pretty much impossible to get every single speck of dust off, but you want to do your best. So go ahead and grab a microfiber cloth or whatever soft cloth and go ahead and wipe down the screen. Get it as clean as you can before you put this screen protector on, keeping in mind that it's pretty much impossible to get every single speck of dust and dirt off the screen. So yeah, but I'm gonna quickly wipe this iPad down and install a screen protector. I picked up 3, so I've got 3 chances of getting this as good as possible. Hopefully I can get it right the first time, so I won't have to do it again. So nearly done. I'll just give it a few more wipes. Screen looks pretty much spotless. Can't really see any dirt on the screen, and hopefully that is good enough. Let's wipe it a bit here. We'll turn over the cloth. Alright, so this should be good enough. What you want to do is go ahead and grab your screen protector. As you can see here, go over to the number 1 side, okay, and just pull it off. Right, first I want to poke this little thing for the camera hole. Now we got to get it off. So yeah, there was like a little insert for where the camera would be. There was like a hole. Just have to punch it out. Alright, so yeah, find the number 1 tab and just pull it right off, like so. And you want to align it with the iPad. And get it as right as possible. So it's definitely not the best install, but it is pretty good. Kind of missed the home button just a little bit. It's not 100% perfect, but it covers the screen pretty much at all edges, which is what you want it to do. But yeah, as you can see, you've got like these giant bubbles on the screen, which is perfectly fine. You want to go ahead and try and get them off. If you got bubbles on the black edges, that's completely fine. Not really a big deal, unless you want it to be 100% perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna try and use this microfiber cloth to scrape the bubbles out towards the edge. If you want, you can actually use a card, like a credit card or a library card. That would probably work better. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find one, which I don't think I can. I got like this ruler here, right now, so I'm just going to use it. Just pluck the bubbles out, you know. You want to just move it off to the edges, to like the black border, and hopefully they will disappear. This might take a while, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pause the camera here, and I'll be back when it's done. So as you guys can see, I'm nearly done getting rid of all the bubbles. This is the exact same screen protector. I didn't take it out and put another one. As you can see, it looks a lot better. There's still a couple of bubbles hanging around. You can see there. They're all on the borders of the screen, which is alright, as long as you know they're not on the actual screen that we'll be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and get rid of the rest of the bubbles. I do it by like pushing it away to, you know, the edge of the screen, or using the edge of this ruler here to like break it down and then push it off. Some bubbles just don't budge at all, and that's because there's like a dust speck in them. The ones that do move are just, you know, air bubbles, and they can be moved off to the edge of the screen. But the ones that don't, it's just because there's like a speck of dust or small bit of dirt or something like that, so it won't be able to be removed unless you take out the whole screen protector and replace it. So that looks pretty much good, guys. That looks like the best that can be done. Give you guys a quick look. You can see that I'm using books to make my tripod taller. But yeah, no signs of any, you know, really noticeable bubbles on the screen. See if I can get this one on the top off. This is like the only one that's visible, but we're going to be having a cover, so it's alright. See if I can get it off. Nah. So it looks like there's a speck of dust there. That's okay. And yeah, let's go ahead and pull the second tab of the screen protector. Make sure everything is down onto the surface, because we don't want it to lift again. So yeah, so get the second tab here. You'll see a number 2 on it. Go ahead and lift that one up. You want to make sure that the screen protector is applied and not the whole thing removed, so just be careful when you peel it. Because when I peel it, the whole thing is actually removing itself. I want to try and get just the second layer to remove. Alright, that's good. Oh, so I actually thought it was a screen. There's actually the other layers underneath. I thought that, you know, pulling this, I was accidentally pulling both the layers, but it's pulling just this layer, which is awesome. And there you go. There's a screen protector installed on the iPad. You can see, you know, a couple of tiny bubbles here and there, but actually nothing noticeable. It looks really good. Really happy with it. I hope you guys found this helpful. Yeah, I haven't really got anything else to say. There's how to install a screen protector. This was an iPad Air that I was using, but you know, installing a screen protector would work with any device, you know, Android phones, iPhones, Android tablets, all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.